Hello everyone, it's me Ben. Today I want us to you come to your browser, then you click URA, then you click enter. So when you click enter, it will bring here without even log in. Although you can find that our account is there, but let us log out. Now there is no account. I'll just come here, then I click, then I come here, click here to register payment. So when I come there, it will load a page. So if like I'm registering for tax, I'll come here, then I put a TIN. Let me say that's the TIN. Let me say that's the TIN. When I click, it will load automatically. I can then after I select the period I want. Now that one is for returns. I want to pay returns, annual returns, monthly returns, like a pay as you earn, among others. Now if I'm paying for entities, I'll come here to other NTR. So I come here, select which department am I paying for. So let me say I'm paying for national. I can say, then you select the why are you paying for that payment. So that's simply how you can make payment. Then after you select, just I'm using this for reference, just reference. So it has generated here. Then after I come here and then I put proof. It's optional but it's important. Let me write, then I write it here. Then I come here, then I write these digits. So here when I come, this is what determines. Let me say NITA, national. So I can come to NITA. I can say, let me say ICT services, ICT service to private clients. So then it brings amount. Then I come here, applicable. I can say 1,000 or 10,000. So it will double here. So there you select anything you want. What type the payment you are making for which sector. You can set DP or any. So that's the procedure. I'm paying to the government. I can say I'm paying for NIRA, anything. Then I come here, I say N5 NQ DT. After writing this, then when you accept the payment, so it's going to generate a PRN for you to use. Thank you. We meet